Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great, and I'm excited to take you on the journey with me of refreshing our front porch for the spring, and thanks to Balsam Hill for sponsoring this video, so let's get started. So friends, our front porch really needs a refresh for the spring. I mean, we took a beating last year and the winter, and it's like, help me. And thanks to Balsam Hill for jumping in and doing just that. Now friends, you know when it comes to the interior of the home, I am a rock star, have no problems there. But when you bring me outdoors, I have a little bit of a struggle. It's just not my natural ability to make the yard and the front porch look amazing. It's just not a natural skill set of mine. I have to kind of plan out, and it's a struggle for me. So that is why I am extra glad that I'm working with Balsam Hill, because they have the most beautiful florals and plants. It's just absolutely beautiful and so realistic. So here's the thing. I really want something that's low maintenance, and they have this collection, and it is the Outdoor Safe collection. And so I can have that beautiful natural look, but I don't have the maintenance to go along with it, and I don't have to worry about killing it. So that's huge too. So what I'm going to do first of all is I need to get it cleaned up. You guys know spring is already here. The pollen's here. The winter is on top of that. So it's just, I needed to give it a good sweep down before I got started. So I wanted to do that, and then I will move into beautifying the space. So you may remember from last year, we redid the flower bed, and it absolutely was beautiful. It lasted. I can't wait to share with you the refresh in another video. But I had these pots, and I had bought real topiaries and put them in the pots, but they did not last. That was the one thing that did not last. And so that was an investment gone bad. And so I'm so happy with the new ones that I have, because they are actually the boxwood topiaries from Balsam Hill. They look so realistic. I don't have to worry about them dying, and they're always going to look like this, and so that is just wonderful for me. So my thing is, I want to combine my real florals with Balsam Hill florals, but I want the look to look seamless. I don't want you to be able to tell what's real and what's not. It should look like a family. So that's the goal, is to have on my front porch all of the Balsam Hill items so that it's low maintenance, it looks beautiful and striking when you come up to the house, but I don't have to do anything. There's no work involved. And so then in the flower bed, that's where I'll have my real flowers and things like that. Now, one thing that I do love about the boxwood topiaries is that I can put batteries in here and set a timer so that they come on at night or whenever I want them to come on. So that's a nice feature with these. And so I'm simply going to put this all right here in my existing pots, and I love how they frame out my front porch. So friends, you will notice that I push the topiaries back a little bit, and that's because I wanted to put this square garden pot here. This is also from Balsam Hill, but what I'm going to put in this pot is I'm actually going to put real flowers, and this is leading into my flower bed, so I thought it was a nice transition. And so here's the thing that I love about Balsam Hill that seriously sold me, is the fact that I can combine my real flowers and real florals with Balsam Hill florals, and they look seamless. You can't tell the difference from what's real and what's not. And I love their Nantucket hydrangea arrangement here, because it comes in this beautiful container, and they're so full, and they just bring life to the front porch, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I mean, so gorgeous. It's the perfect little touch that I needed. And so I really wanted to set the scene as you walk up, that you really had a nice welcoming feel, but just feels like a beautiful garden a little bit, just like you're walking up into a beautiful garden. So friends, if I had to give you a takeaway from this, it would be, if you want the beauty and the natural look and you want low maintenance, I would say definitely think about combining Balsam Hill with your natural garden plants. Whatever you have in your flower bed, kind of look what you have, go to their website, and then shop things that coordinate with what you already have out, and it looks stunning. It can look so stunning. And the thing about it is, you've cut your maintenance in half. So for me, when I come on my front porch, I don't have that maintenance that I have in my flower bed. For me, my flower bed is enough maintenance for me. I don't need any more maintenance, and I think that's probably probably why my topiaries suffered from last year and died. But now I don't have to worry about that, and it's such a relief to me, and I can really just focus on the flower bed. So these here are going to get planted right there in the square pot. And again, that Newport Square Garden pot is going to be below. I love it. I know that I'll have this for years to come. And then I wanted to put a variety of the real plants in here just to play off of the Balsam Hill plants and flowers that I have. You know, I have the hydrangea right there by the door, and I also have the topiary. So I wanted to look for things that really would complement that and stay with my green and white tone. You know, with our house, that's what we have in the flower bed. We have all greens and whites, and it just keeps it nice and simple, and I love it. It just makes me happy when I look at my front porch now. It feels like I'm walking into my own little garden, and it feels like spring just started on my front porch. Now, there is one thing that I need to add on, and this is a wreath, and I feel like that would finish it off along with my mat. And so, of course, Balsam Hill came through with the wreath also, and what I got is one of these little attachments so that I can put my wreath up, and I have the white Rhapsody outdoor wreath, and I thought it was just simple. It's the whites and the greens and the hydrangea, and I thought that it would really complement everything else. And so I think it just is beautiful. It's soft, it's spring, it's simple, and I absolutely love it. I love it, and I'm really happy with it. So now that I have the wreath on the door, it's just about getting the mat down, and then we can check off the front porch. I really hope you guys will let me know in the comments what you think. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a part of the At Home with Nikki family. Please click that subscribe button along with that bell so that you receive notifications every time I post a video. And I just have been loving doing these spring projects around my home with you. I hope that you are enjoying them too, because it is just so rewarding after I complete each one, and this one was huge. And so I want to say a huge thank you to Balsam Hill for really coming through for me and helping me with this project. Now, I did go and I bought a little mat to go on the front porch, so I thought that that would be a nice finishing touch there. And friends, what do you think? Let me know. Let me know what you think. I am just so excited about it. I stood here for the longest time. I just did not want to go in the house. I just stood here. I know the neighbors thought, okay, what in the world is going on over there? But it is absolutely beautiful. And so I can check this off as Front Porch Makeover Spring 2021 is complete. Have a beautiful day, my friends. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.